Big day today. Donut. What does a single stay-at-home mom do all day? Well, come along and you'll find out. You ready to have fun at school? I have a super jam-packed day today, and I'm gonna take you along with me. First thing we gotta do is we gotta hit up the gym, then the post office box, then we gotta go home and start to look through our to-do list. But we are already 20 minutes behind, so we gotta go. Not bad, new PR. Before I go home, I have got to go to the P.O. box because it's kind of out of the way. Thank you. Awesome. Thank you so much. I'm so excited.